And yeah, this is Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna. And even if you're just at the comfort of your home, I want you to feel kung ano yung napapanood nyo ngayon sa television habang pinapanood nyo ako, no? Because we're so lucky to have this development that it's very accessible to Manila, to the NAIA, and magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong lifestyle. And for this video, I really want to help you guys on, Jaire, how do you cater your clients who are living abroad? What are the process? Ano yung mga dapat naming paghandaan? Because we really love to invest a retirement property, but we don't know how to start. And yes, I will help you with this video, and a plus point, I will also suggest the best and hot selling property, not just for retirement, but also for your passive income if you want to have a business rental property. We are actually inside Santa Elena Golf and Country Club. So if you are familiar sa mga videos na nire-release natin kung saan nasan si UST Santa Rosa Campus, nandito lang siya sa area na to. So on our left is the Lake Hall Event Center. Kung may naririnig kayong parang nagma-mic test, it's because my wedding reception siguro mamaya. But I want you to highlight this very beautiful and newest cafe called Rico's Cafe that caters modern Filipino cuisine. Sarap ng food nila, and plus, no, ang ganda ng ambience nila. Very lush, no? And I actually love kung ano yung nagiging development dito sa area, kasi nakikita nyo na oo, mag-green Jaire yung community, maraming open spaces sa residential community, but they are true to their promise. Kung ano yung nagiging development dito, nadadala nila, no? Sa paggawa ng restaurant, sa paggawa ng ganitong commercial area, it's very green living, very inviting for family living, and very inviting for retirement home. And 90% of my client last 2024 are Filipinos living abroad and bought a property for their retirement or for their rental business in the future. And yes, even if they are not physically here, nakakabili po sila ng property dito sa Pilipinas, and I will teach you guys on how to do it. Yes, you don't need to be physically here just for you to acquire a property, kasi napaka-adaptive na ng mga developers natin, and because of our technology right now, we can pay our reservation, our down payments online, no? Using the payment link na isi-send ng mga developers natin. And actually, a lot of developers, mayroon ng particular Greenfield Development Corporation na nag-accept sila either credit card or debit card, no? Basta MasterCard or Visa, they are accepting it. So, napaka-flexible, and yung mga reservation forms, pwedeng-pwede naman na yan ipasa email, no? And then, to follow na lang yung mga original copies. Just for you also, no? To balance, not just for your convenience, but to lock in the current price. And pwedeng-pwede na kayong mag-loan dito sa Philippines even if you are not holding a Filipino citizenship. I know, sinasabi ko to before, no? There is a BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas directive that you need to have at least a dual citizenship, and one of which, it should be a Filipino citizenship para makapag-loan ka dito sa Pilipinas. But there is already one bank, which is BDO or Banco de Oro, na pwede tayong mag-loan, no, kahit hindi tayo nag-hold ng Filipino citizenship. But of course, if you are planning to retire here, if you are planning naman na tumira dito ng matagal, better pa rin na magkaroon ng dual citizenship. Kasi kapag Filipino citizen ka, meron pa ring certain na, promos and lower interest na ino-offer yung mga institution natin dito na nagpapaloan. And number 3, do not worry about your credit score. I know how much important credit score is back in the USA, no, or in other parts of the world, not in the Philippines. But here, if you want to loan a property, even if wala kang history, kung nakatira ka dito dati, nagtrabaho ka, kung wala kang history ng bumili ka ng property dito, investment, wala kang bank account, hindi po yun yung tinitignan, no? Para ma-approve ka sa loan mo or para makapag-loan ka para pambili mo ng property. Dahil ang tinitignan nila is your capacity to pay. Saan mo kukunin yung ipangbabayad mo? And the most important document that we can show to them, number 1, is our proof of employment. So we can just show them our latest 6 months pay slips or pay stubs, our bank statements. That's very important. And yes, that's it. Kapag nalaman nila you have the money, you have the capacity to pay, kahit na wala ka pong na-build na credit score dito sa Philippines, it's very okay. Number 4, when it comes to property ownership, kapag condominium yung gusto nyong bilhin, even if you're not holding a Filipino citizenship, you can buy a condo because foreigner can buy a condo here in the Philippines for as long as, for example, ang total number of units na sinesell ng isang specific project, let's say Zadia, are 1,000, dapat 60% of it or 600 pagmamay-ari ng Filipinos and 40% lang ang maximum na dapat nagmamay-ari ang mga foreign nationals. So that is 60-40. Pero, Jaire, paano kapag hindi ako dual citizen pero gusto ko ng lote? Pwede rin pa rin po kayong mag-acquire ng property dito. Pwede pa rin kayong mag-acquire ng house and lot, ng lot, kahit na hindi pa kayo Filipino citizen, for as long as you are a naturally born Filipino. If you are a naturally born Filipino, you can still own up to 1,000 square meter residential properties here in the Philippines. And most importantly, since you are preparing for your retirement home, almost all of my clients who bought a property here are all pre-selling. Kasi nagre-ready pa lang naman sila ng retirement property nila. May it be condominium, may it be lot only, and they're very okay with the pre-selling properties. So ano yung tinatawag natin ng mga pre-selling properties? Ibig sabihin yan, yung mga properties na kaka-launch pa lang, hindi pa buo yung building if it's a condominium project, or hindi pa na-develop yung land if it's a lot only or house and lot project. But the advantage of it kasi, nag-offer si developers ng mga stretch down payment terms. Meaning, hindi ka mape-pressure na magbayad ka na agad. Kailangan magbayad ka na agad, Jaire, kasi matitirhan mo na agad yung property. No, dahil hindi pa matitirhan agad yung property, pre-selling pa lang siya, nag-offer sila ng stretch payment term. Jaire, dahil after 4 years pa matatapos itong condo building na ito, or Jaire, dahil after 4 years pa bago ma-develop yung land na tatayuan mo ng bahay, I can give you 4 years to pay down payment. So if the property price, this is just for the ease of computation, if the total contract price is 1 million pesos, usually kapag mga pre-selling properties, nahati yan sa dalawa. Tinatawag nating 20-80. 20% mapupunta sa down payment na yun yung pwede nilang i-stretch into maximum of 4 years. So 20% of 1 million is 200,000 pesos. I-divide nila yon into 4 years or 48 months at 0% interest. At yung natitirang 80%, yun yung pwede nating i-loan sa bank after the 48 month or 4 years to pay down payment, or pwede nating i-pay in cash kasi ang laki na ng allowance natin na nagbabayad lang tayo ng mababa, Nilock in lang natin yung price the time na nag-reserve tayo, and then during the course of 48 months, 0% interest, low monthly down payment, nakakapag-ipon tayo para makapag-balloon payment sa dulo. Para after 4 years, baka nga hindi na po kayo mag-loan, mapapay in cash nyo na yung property na binili nyo at a pre-selling stage. Lagi kong sinasabi dito, you didn't just bought the property, you are also buying that time and locking in the price. But I'll share kung ano naman yung mga strategies na ginagawa ng mga buyers ko from abroad. So hindi lang po ako nagbibigay ng insight, nakakapagbigay din sila ng insight sa akin. Ang ginagawa naman nila, at the end of the down payment term, pinipay nila in cash. Pero minsan hindi yun coming from their savings. Hindi po sila dito nag-loan. Doon sila naglo-loan, for example, sa United States, kapag nakakuha sila ng cash doon, magpe-pay in cash sila ng property dito. Because sometimes daw, mas mababa pa yung interest rate per annum doon, abroad, kaysa dito sa Pilipinas. So you can also do that. So yeah, you can buy a property here in the Philippines without being physically here. You just need proof of identifications like your US driver's license, US passport, or if you're a Filipino citizen and if you still have a Filipino IDs, it's also okay, but tinatanggap na rin po dito yung mga proof of identifications natin if you are already a US citizen or citizens from other countries. And then number 2, proof of income, which is just your latest 6 months pay slips or pay stubs, and then your latest 6 months bank statement. And number 3, proof of billing. Yung address nyo sa US, sa Canada, ng house nyo na nakapangalan po sa inyo. And then that's it. But more than the technical stuff that I mentioned earlier, lagi ko namang matuturo yun sa inyo, no? Lalo na kapag natulungan ko kayo to acquire a property here. More than that, I know matagal na kayong hindi nakauwi dito sa Pilipinas, but gusto nyong makakaroon ng retirement home na alam nyong kahit wala kayo dito, matagal nyo nang hindi nakita, nasi-share namin yung mga ganitong developments na, ay Jaire, meron na palang ganyan na development. Ay Jaire, mukhang magandang ang retirement home yan, no? So, I'm also here to help you na bakit nga ba almost all ng mga nakatira abroad, mga Filipinos, if ayaw nila ng condo, ayaw nila ng city living, bakit New Valley ang nagiging matunog? Bakit Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna yung nagiging matunog, no? I think pwedeng or possible na hindi first time, no, na narinig nyo na yung New Valley, yung Santa Rosa, yung Greenfield, pero bakit ito yung pinipili nila? Well, number one, I think, no, it's proximity to Manila. Kasi you can take a look or observe, no, kung ano yung nagiging development dito. Hindi sila katulad like, of course, no, understandable naman kasi city. So hanggat merong lupa, tatayuan ng building. But there is a balance, no, between nature living and a city living here, no, in the area. And at the same time, you are not that far from Manila because sobrang ganda na ng roadworks, ang ganda na ng mga connecting highways. We have South Luzon Expressway, we have Skyway, no, we have different road networks, no, connecting on this area para din maiwasan yung bottleneck sa magiging traffic, no, sa future. Yeah, number one yan, proximity. Gusto namin ng feeling na suburban living, Jaire, but malapit pa rin kami pag gusto naming umuwi or bumalik sa kung nasang bansa kami ngayon sa US, malapit sa NAIA, malapit sa Manila or BGC, perfect na perfect yung Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Number two, I think ito importante din to kung paano dine-develop yung isang lugar because I really believe, no, as a resident in the area na hindi lang yung mismong property, hindi lang mismong bahay, lote or condominium yung dapat concern tayo. We also have to be concerned na anong development outside my property, Jaire, outside our community or subdivision. Mapapangalagaan ba yan? Maganda ba yung kakalabasan yan? At magbibigay ba sila, no, ng mga establishments or commercial area that would cater our needs, such as hospital, such as grocery shops, and other things, no, na kailangan natin on our everyday life. And this is what's happening here in the area, not just Ayala of New Valley, not just Greenfield Development Corporation for Greenfield City, but we also have Villar here. We have Rockwell Development here. We have SM here. That's why magkakaroon din tayo ng next SM Aura Premier. And they keep on expanding. They keep on building a city, an estate, no? Honestly, yes, if you will look, no, sa ibang mga lugar dito sa Pilipinas, mas mahal talaga sa area because you're not just paying for your property here. You are paying for your lifestyle, for your security, and for the maintenance, not just of your property, but the maintenance of your city, of your community. And there's a reason bakit nilipat na nila yung mga prestigious universities here in the area. More space, more conducive for family building. Or meron kasi ako mga clients na not for retirement home, pero home ng mga anak nila if they choose to move here in the Philippines and build a family here. And yes, we got a lot of big universities here. De La Salle University, Laguna campus, which is an extension of their main campus in Taft. We have University of Santo Tomas, which is twice the size of UST Manila. We have Chiang Kai-shek College. We have Ateneo Graduate School of Business. We have Miriam College. We have Xavier School. You name it, we have it already here. But mas okay, no, yung community. Meron niya akong napapansin, no, parang ang ginagawa nila dito sa area, from the time that you were born, meron ng mga school, meron ng pwedeng parks, no, na pwedeng paglaruan ng bata, no, pwedeng play school, hanggang sa mag-aral ka, nandito na universities, hanggang sa mag-work ka dahil nagbi-build sila ng mga pocket commercial districts just like BGCs para maging offices, no, nandito na lahat, hindi ka nalalayo, and hanggang sa mag-retire ka, nandito na. And that's what we like, no, na hindi na uso yung katulad ng dati na kailangan mong pumunta ng Manila para mag-aral, kailangan mong pumunta ng Manila para pumunta sa office mo, no? At ma-experience yung traffic kasi nandito na lahat. And yun lang yung proud ako sa ino-offer ko because I've been doing this for almost half a decade now, and the developers are really delivering their promises. Kumbaga, walang expectation versus reality. And I hope sa mga videos natin na ganito, we keep on updating kung ano man yung mga bagong happenings dito or merong mga new developments para at least, no, kahit wala kayo dito, most especially sa mga nakabili na sa akin na minsan nagpapasalamat sila na Jaire, this is very important, this video, kasi hindi lang yung property namin yung nasusubaybayan namin kapag nagpa-follow up or kapag may concern kami, pero through these videos, nakikita namin yung development na talagang yung promise, no, ng mga developers, talagang nandito, nagagawa talaga nila. And sobrang daming mga developments dito na kung hindi man kayo bibili ng retirement home for rental property dahil nandito na universities, so I will also help you with that. No, number one nga, no, still the best selling and the most accessible condominium project here, Zadia, no bias with that, and siya pa yung mas mura per square meter. If you want a property, a condominium property, rental business in the future, napaka-perfect timing nito ngayon, no, na pumosession kayo habang hindi pa ganun pumuputok yung presyo. Walang spot payment. You can own a studio unit at around 5.4 million pesos including the other charges or miscellaneous fees for 33 months to pay at 0% interest, no spot payment. Yung iba kong clients, gusto nila ng safety, maintenance at security ng condo, yun ang gusto nilang retirement home, they are opting for a one-bedroom which is almost 50 square meters with your own walk-in closet. That's only 10.4 million in Zadia at about 40 to 45,000 pesos per monthly down payment for 3 years at 0% interest. And of course, if you want like a premium living, of course, nakita nyo na sa videos ko, ipa-flash din namin ngayon, we have Rockwell, South at Carmel Ray, we have Hannah Garden Villas, and a lot of lot-only projects, Greenfield Development Corporation na napakalapit sa The Medical City, South Luzon. You name it, if you want a small lot, we have Insulen Residences, a big lot cat, we have Intrava, 24 months at 0% interest, and also, we have of course, the New Valley lots. So, nandito na lahat, of course, obvious na yon, no? Na talagang higher yung price natin dito, but sabi ko nga kanina, we're getting what we pay for. So I hope I gave justice through this video on how it feels like living here in Metro City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Actually, when I'm conceptualizing this video, sabi ko nga sa videographer ko, no, sa kay Gion, wag muna tayong gumawa ng video when it comes to property. Wag muna yun yung pinaka-focus. I just want like to have like a Thanksgiving video, kumbaga na parang ang grabe yung tiwala nila sa akin ng mga tao. So it's time for me to pay back doing this video na ang focus is more of like the views. Para talagang ma-feel nila na kahit wala pa po kayo dito, grabe yung tiwala nyo na bumibili kayo sa akin. Even if you're not here, then after or during the down payment term, uuwi lang kayo dito just to visit your property. Thank you for the trust. And I'm still here, Jaire Mamaclay, your property geek, promising you to deliver quality products, quality investments here in the Philippines. So if you want to inquire, you can inquire through my local mobile number, my Viber, iMessage, and WhatsApp account. That is +63927 185 1590. Again, +63927 185 1590. You can also message me through our business email. That is thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. We are also available in Facebook. That is The Property Geek, and you can directly message me through my personal Facebook account. That is Jaire Valerio Mamaclay. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. So maraming salamat sa pagtutok, guys. If you want to experience an everyday living like this, then Metro City Santa Rosa is the perfect location for you. Again, this is Jaire Mamaclay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines. Come home to the beautiful Metro Santa Rosa City.